Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I'm going to show you something very basic, replacing an air filter. It's going to be easy peasy, so here we go. There's a clip here, boom. Clip number 2, grab this, slide it right out. Here's our air filter. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, nasty. We'll go ahead and get rid of this. We're going to clean out the inside of that box real quick, and then I'll show you how to install that air filter. So here's our new air filter. You can see all these little areas where air is supposed to get sucked through your air duct, come through the air filter, go in between these, and all the little dust and dirt particles that are going to come through are going to get stuck. By the time it comes through the other side, you won't have anything getting into your engine. It's very important to make sure that these are clean. If you've got a lot of dust in there and it looks like it's discolored, you're going to want to replace it. If your air filter looks anything like this, you might have waited a little bit long. You've got really bad fuel economy at this point. As you can tell, all those little areas that I told you that are supposed to collect dirt and debris, they're pretty gunked up at this point. There isn't going to be much airflow coming through here. This is about probably the second worst that I've ever seen. I've been doing this for a little while, and this is just really, really bad. I don't even know how to explain it so you can get the point of it, but you can see it. I don't really probably have to say too much more than that. Which air filter would you rather have in your vehicle? I'm going to go with this one. Let's get rid of this one, and we'll finish up our job here. So we saw the air filter. Here's the inside of the box. This is where your air comes from. Goes through here. All this dirt right here is supposed to get caught in the air filter. Make sure it doesn't go through to this part of the engine. Okay? So all this crud right here, you're going to want to make sure you get it out. Use a vacuum cleaner, whatever you have to do. Get it as clean as possible. And now we're going to install the air filter. So I cleaned it out the best I could there. We're going to take our brand new air filter. We're not putting in the old one, obviously. Set it in there. Okay? Backside here has a little piton and another piton, a clippy-doo, and a clippy-doo. The piton slips into the clippy-doo. Back there. There we are. You bring the front in, give it a little squeeze. We got our little clips here. It just slides over, and then you grab it, pull it in. Give her a shake. Air filter's done.
Thanks
Easy.
for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.